Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Firebase Test Lab for mobile test automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. If you don't have an account, create one and set up a new project. Next, navigate to the Firebase section within the Google Cloud Console. Click on the Get Started button for Firebase Test Lab. You will be prompted to enable billing for your account. Follow the instructions to set up a billing account if necessary. Once billing is enabled, return to the Firebase Test Lab page. Now, you will need to upload your Android or iOS app for testing. For Android applications, upload the APK file. For iOS applications, upload the IPA file. Ensure the app is compatible with the target devices you wish to test. Next, configure your test environment by selecting your desired device models. You can choose from various emulators and physical devices. Once you have selected the devices, decide on the type of test you want to run. You can choose from instrumentation tests, robo tests, or game loop tests. Upload your test scripts if you are running instrumentation tests. For robo tests, you don't need to upload any scripts. After configuring everything, review your selections for accuracy. Finally, click on the Start Test button to initiate the testing process. Monitor the progress of your test run in the Firebase console. Once the tests are completed, you will receive a detailed report of the results. Analyze the report to identify any issues or failures in the tests. Use this information to make necessary adjustments to your app. Repeat the testing process as needed for continuous integration. With Firebase Test Lab, you can ensure your app is robust and ready for users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.